So I know it's been a while, but I've been busy. And I haven't been over here to see some of this stuff. But he's got the wastegates on. And both of the turbos mounted. You can see it from the front. He doesn't have the air filters on yet. He's not sure exactly what he's going to do with the air filters. But you can see how the two exhaust dump tubes come down. And then come out the side. And the wastegates. And he just had two bungs welded in the oil pan for the returns from the turbos. And this thing is coming along really well. Like I said, I know it's been a long time, but I haven't been over here. Just been too busy to get over here. And he said he should be finished just in time to go after Ted at the Manufacturers Cup in November. So watch out, Ted. He's coming for you. All right.